Hey guys. Oh, hi. Do you think I was talking to you all? Okay. Alright. This is Luna and Winnie. You've probably seen them in my videos before because they really like to be in my lap. But hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I have a 34-week pregnancy update video. Yeah, so here's the bump. Hopefully you can, well, yeah, oh no, you can see it. I was gonna say, this shirt is very, oversized. One thing I saw, and this made me so uncomfortable, somebody posting about being 34 weeks pregnant, and it said we've officially hit the time where we could meet baby in 2 weeks or 8 weeks, and I was like, that's crazy. Oh, that's crazy to think about. So yeah, I'm actually filming this like just a couple days before I turn 34 weeks, but I've been pre-filming a lot for a couple of reasons. One, could have babies soon, we don't know. I don't know how many more pregnancy updates I'll be doing because, well, you never know when baby's gonna decide to come. Hopefully not for, 6 more weeks or so. Yeah. But, I'm also pre-filming because I will be working the state fair with the, small business that I do cosmetic chemistry for. And that's like 11 days. Like it'll essentially take me out for like 2 weeks where I won't, be able to do reselling work or any thrifting or filming. So trying to prep as much as I can, and I think that I've done a pretty good job. But we're doing the 34-week pregnancy update today because I do have some updates. Oh, there's stuff on this shirt, but I can't see it in person, but I can see it. Wait, well, maybe I can't see it. Anyways, let's just sit up and not talk about it. But I don't remember what I was saying again. There's something. I feel like my brain does not work at all. I was talking to my dad yesterday, and I was explaining this game, or I was reading the name of this game that Owen has really loved playing, and it definitely said Piranha Plant Escape, and I swore it said Piranha Plant Escapade. I don't know. But yeah, so a couple updates. One thing I feel like has been, I don't want to say different this pregnancy, because I definitely had heartburn with both of my other pregnancies. This is my third pregnancy, and it is a girl if this is the first time you're seeing this video. But I feel like this time my heartburn has been so much worse. It's been so bad. So bad. I can't even drink water without getting heartburn most of the time. And while luckily things like Tums have helped, or sometimes changing positions, Tums most of the time have helped, but it's literally everything that causes it. So I feel like I'm just walking around with Tums all the time because I am dying otherwise. I also feel like this time, not that I wasn't uncomfortable. Everybody gets uncomfortable at a certain point in their pregnancy, but I feel like she's either longer or, larger than my previous two, which again, I don't think is abnormal because your body's kind of stretched. There's slightly more room because the body's already, stretched some, but I literally can't get comfortable. Standing's uncomfortable, sitting is uncomfortable, laying down's uncomfortable. It's all uncomfortable. I can't stay comfy. And I have to, when I sit, I literally have to make room for my belly in a chair. So I have, my legs are out and belly is literally just sitting in between my legs, if that kind of makes sense. And I don't really remember that with my other two pregnancies. Or I'll try to recline back. So that way then, like, I feel like I have maybe a little bit more breathing room, a little bit of room to stretch. So she could just be sitting really high. I don't know. Winifred. She loves it to lay right where my camera stand is. And clearly she keeps moving it. Okay, thank you, Winnie. Thank you. Thank you for moving. So I'm sorry that the angle has changed like 10 times. She can't make up her mind on where exactly she wants to sit. So just like general breathing has been so difficult, and I'm so uncomfortable, and I know that over the next few weeks it's only gonna get worse. I have been having Braxton Hicks contractions and like some slight cramping. I've been trying to be really good about drinking water. I bought a planner because I love planners. I got this one specifically because I wanted to track how much water I was having. So every time I fill it up, I'm marking in it because I have it right near where I would get water. So yeah. But I have had that, and I brought it to the doctor, and it's normal to get as you progress later on in your pregnancy, especially if it's not your first pregnancy. They can be more intense, and they can happen a little bit sooner. You recognize them a little bit sooner, because your body's done it before, you've done it before, all of those things. Sometimes I feel like her movements just hurt, like she's like scraping my body. I don't know how to explain it other than that. But we did do our 3D ultrasound, and it was so cute. We did have to go back because the first time we were there, she was not moving. Actually, she did move. She moved and faced backwards. She was not having whatever that was going on. So we did have to go back, but then we got a lot of good pictures, so that was really fun. And the kids, the first time we went, the kids went. Don't know that we'll do that again. It wasn't really their thing. I think they were like feeding off of each other, but because they couldn't see her because she refused to be seen. So they kind of like got bored with it easily. But yeah, so that was super fun. We love doing that. I have washed all of the clothing that we currently have, and I did realize we need to go get, not that they're in newborns for that long, but we have one newborn long sleeve onesie. That's it. That's all. Now, granted, will she probably be in sleepers a lot of the time? Most likely, but I would at least like to have like 2 or maybe, 3. Just, to have. We have a ton of short sleeve ones because, both of our other children were born in the summer, so, or whenever it was really hot, but she's going to be born, it will actually, or should be fall by the time she is born, and the weather will most likely, be close to changing. But yeah, I have started packing my hospital bag. I am going to film that soon because, again, I'll be out for 2 weeks. And I want to make sure that I have it packed and all of those sorts of things. So I'll probably go ahead and film that, though I feel like sometimes I like think of things and I'm like, okay, well, I'll let me add that in. But I think for the most part, I've gotten it packed. And luckily, like a lot of our travel, like toiletries and stuff, we always have that packed, like from vacations or whatever, because we just keep it in the travel case because it's easier that way. So I would say like most of that sort of thing is packed, and then I've got most of the other things packed. The only thing that's not packed, Jacob stuff and the stuff for the kids for when they go and stay. But I literally told my dad and stepmom, I was like, listen, you know where my house is. If I don't get it packed, you're just gonna have to come in and like get it yourself. Winifred. And they were like, that's fine. Or, we know where there's a store, so it's all gonna work out fine. And I was like, great. Because I most likely won't have time to pack it. Unless, we get induced and then there's a set day and XYZ. But, yeah. Whew. I'm out of breath and I need some water. Um, was there anything else? There's the heartburn, the hard to breathe. Oh, I also feel like I've gotten bigger shorts. Like I've gotten everything baggy and loose that I can find, but I still just feel like I'm literally like suffocating in all clothes. Like, but I feel like I'd be suffocating even if I wasn't in clothes either. So there's that. And I've been getting so hot, so hot. I am not one. I like to sleep with the fan, but like for the most part, I don't need to have the fan on me. I want the sound of the fan. And I'm always the one that has like a bunch of blankets on me. Usually it's Jacob that's like, no to the blankets, and all yes to the fan. But we now have to have 2 fans running in our bedroom at night, like anytime I go to sleep, because I just get so hot. And I'm only using a sheet, and half the time I yank the sheet off because I'm too hot. So the pregnancy sweats, man, they're real. And let me tell you, if I'm up moving, like if I do the cleaning or whatever, hair has got to be up, and I need to be in like a tank top and like shorts, because I'm just sweating. The other day I was literally just sitting down and like sweating, and I hadn't even really been moving, and it wasn't all like super hot in the house. Maybe TMI, but that's been like a whole thing. But yeah, that's where we are at 34 weeks. If I get to do another one, or 2, I definitely will try to. I'll try to do at least one more, because hopefully, we at least make it to 38 weeks. But you never know what's gonna happen with a baby. They have their own timeline, that is for sure. But we are also excited to meet her, though we can wait a little bit longer. We can wait longer, but we're all getting really excited. I just feel like it's getting more and more real, and seeing the video, thinking about the fact, like 34 weeks, like, I mean, in theory, you have 6 more weeks. You have a month, a little over a month, but like you have close to a month left. And I was looking at like the calendar today, and I was like, I mean, it is crazy that she could be here in a month. Like, that's wild to me. Because I feel like we just found out not that long ago. I feel like I say that in every single one, but yeah. I will link above my other pregnancy update videos for this pregnancy, or if you want to watch my past ones as well, I will have that linked in the cards. I don't know which side the cards are on, if you want me to be honest. But yeah, if you did enjoy, please be sure to subscribe down below. Give the video a thumbs up, let me know, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.